Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Leah. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm so excited. Woo! We're doing Stitch Fix. I can't even say the word. Stitch Fix has finally hit UK. I have been waiting for about 8 months to get my first box. I watched the USA unboxing on there. I've got some friends in the USA who I watch their unboxings, and I've always been so jealous that we do not have anything from America in the UK. But I now can say, woohoo, we have Stitch Fix. So we're going to unbox and do the same thing that I do with the other clothing subscription that I have. We'll have a look at what I've received, what my thoughts are. I'll do the try on, and then we'll look at the pricing. So shall we get on with it and see what I have been given? Right, okay, so the box comes like this. Gives you the instructions of what to do in returning your things, which actually I haven't read, so I can't tell you. But I always advise you guys that if you want to do this sort of subscription, go ahead on the website and check it out. All the details are on there. All I know is I wanted to do it. I paid £10 and I got it delivered. So I don't even know if I'm binding some sort of contract. I've just gone ahead and just done it. So inside the box we have some paperwork, which I will leave to the end. We have a return bag, which is free of charge, and then we have a bundle of goodies. So I can see some colour. Oh, they look like white jeans, not my favourite, guys. So let's get on with it and have a look and see what I have. Right, okay, so the first item, very pretty, is a little top. How cute is this? I really like that. This is something I would wear. I don't even know what they are. They like leaves or something on there. Very pretty, very spring, very me. So I look forward to trying that on. Like that. And then we have another top, which is this. I love this. This is super me. Oh my god, this is so nice. It's got elasticated, looks like bell sleeves. It's got the frill down the front. Yeah, like this a lot. This will look so nice with faux leather jeans that I have. Or what else would it look nice with? Maybe just like these white jeans. Number 3 top. Oh my god, I love this. This stylist has just like hit all the right places. This is so me. This is lovely. This has got like net. Can you see that? It's like sheer, very sheer. Oh my god. I am loving this. This is lovely. And then we have, oh, another top. Wow. Okay. This is like a linen. Oh, it is. It's 100% linen. This is not my cup of tea, guys. I would try it on though. I might be proven wrong, but this is not something that I would naturally really reach for. But I'll try it on and see. And then we have, these are a pair of whites. Now this is my idea of white, not the other subscription box that I had. I found they were like an off-white maybe. Okay, these have got a bit of stretch. I wouldn't say a huge amount, but they do have a bit. Now, have I got any white pants? I'm not sure if I have any white pants. So you might be seeing these on with black pants, I'm afraid. Yeah, look forward to trying them on. I'm not sure if they're going to fit. They might well do. As I said to you before, I'm not a lover of white jeans. I do feel because I do carry an extra bit of weight on my legs and bottom, white tends to show off all my lumps and bumps. But I'm happy to try them on. I have to say, my first thoughts on this Stitch Fix box, my first box, is spot on. I'm a bit anxious about the pricing because when I watch the USA ones, they do seem to be a little bit expensive. So fingers crossed it won't be. So I'm going to end here while we're on a high. I'm going to try this lot on, hope and pray it fits. And I'll join you in a minute with the try on to these outfits. See you soon. Bye. Hi guys, so welcome back to my Stitch Fix try on. That is such a mouthful, Stitch Fix try on. So as you can see, I've got this white linen, 100% linen. I don't like this. I feel it's like a sack of potatoes on me, if I'm perfectly honest with you. The only thing I do like about it is actually the sleeves. But the rest of it, I just don't find it very flattering. I don't know, I just find it, I just don't like it. And as you can see, I've got the white jeans on that actually fit very, very, very well, which makes a change for subscription boxes, jeans to actually fit me. So I like jeans, but the top, unfortunately, this time is a down. So hang fine, back with outfit 2. Hi guys, second outfit. So I thought I'd just keep the jeans on throughout the try on. So this is the t-shirt. I really actually like this. Although it's a t-shirt, it just feels really good quality. I like this detailing. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's quite sheer. And then this is like the t-shirt. It's very stretchy. It's very comfortable. I like this. Let me know what you guys think. Is it a keeper? I hope so. I hope you guys like it because I do. Okay, 2 seconds and we're back with the last top. Hi guys, so we're back with the third top. So what do you think of this? I actually really like this. I love the colour. I love the feel of it. I like the sleeves, the elastication. It fits very well. I like the ruffles here. Slides over your head. No doing a colossal amount of buttons. I think it looks really nice actually. Not sure I'd actually pair it with these jeans. I'll probably go for a darker bottom, but it's lovely. I really do like this. I hope it's not too expensive because this is something I could see myself buying and wearing. Right, we have one more top left. 2 seconds and I'll be straight back. Hi guys, so we are back with the final top. Woo! That was hard work. So what do you think of this, guys? I do like the colour. I think it's very flattering for my skin tone colour. It looks really like casual, I think, with these jeans, and I would actually wear it with these jeans. I think it's a really nice, pretty top. I do like it. I'm so scared about this box, guys, because I can see it's a 5 for 5. Anyway, I'll take this lot off. I'll grab a coffee, and then we'll sit down. We'll go through pricing. See you soon. Hi guys, so we are back with the final part of my video. We are going to go through the pricing and my thoughts of this first Stitch Fix box. So first of all, I see that we get, well, these look like styling cards. So this shows you how to style. It says, hi Leah, happy fix day, how are you? Are you excited about what's in store? So am I. I had a read of your profile and you mentioned liking rock chick vibe or understated black, greys and white with the odd pink. I chose a pair of white skinny jeans by Oasis as the lead up to summer, which you can wear with the black sleeveless shell by Warehouse. I wanted items you could mix and match together and throw a leather jacket or a blazer with it to give more of an edge. I also chose for you this white linen top by Monsoon. I love the way the boxy shape of it and thought this would look great with black or grey jeans, which will keep my eyes open for you next fix. Finally, for a bit of feminine but not too girly, I chose this blouse by Vera Muda. Let me know what you think. For now, have a great time unboxing and have a fab day. XO Anisha. Oh God, I know I'm saying that so wrong. Anisha. So that's obviously my stylist for this Stitch Fix. There you go. and you get £15 if you would like to sign up using my link. I will leave that for you guys. Okay, so that's that. Then we have this, whatever this is. This is everything you need to know, how to sign up for it, how to return, how to pay for everything. So that's pretty good, that's all in there. And I guess this is the all-important invoice, which I'm having a nervous breakdown about reading. Not only because of the prices, but also, guys, because I like... It's okay, you can cough. My poor grandson's there, I'd like choke himself trying not to cough because he doesn't want to make a noise. Okay, so yeah, I'm having a nervous breakdown because I really do like this Stitch Fix. Apart from the white linen thing, I'm not into that. Right, okay, so let's have a look. So the mixed woven sleeveless shell, black, £22. So that was that with the black t-shirt type thing. £22, guys. What are you thinking? Then there was the Cali woven top in pink. So that would be this little one, £24. The white skinny jeans were £45. The button detail linen shirt, white one, £29. So that means this one, £32. Okay, so the whole box comes to £152. Then you get 20% discount, is £30.40. Order subtotal is £121.60. Styling charge £10. Delivery is free. Order total £111.60. Okay, so you would only get the 20% discount when you buy all of your stylist picks. Now that's unfortunate that I don't like the linen top. I'll have to have a think, guys. Let me know what you think I should do, because I actually like the rest of the tops, but if I'm really pushed and I would only have like the white jeans, and I do like this one out of the tops. So let me know what you think, guys. Anyway, that's a wrap for this Stitch Fix. Let me know your thoughts. I thought it was good. I didn't think the prices were too horrific. In fact, I think they were quite fair. Yeah, I think it was all right. So I'll see what my next bot's like. This might have just been a lucky one. Let me know your thoughts. Comment down below. If you're not subscribed and you like these kind of unboxings, make sure you subscribe. Hit your notifications so you know when I'm uploading videos, and I do it all the damn time, so I don't want you to miss out. Anyway, have a really good rest of the evening, and I'll speak to you in my next one. Bye.